Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your IP settings, IP address or your DNS settings on your Android TV or Smart TV. So if you want to change those settings, you can simply go to the top right corner in the settings. And in the settings you can go to network and internet. And you can scroll down and you can simply go to the proxy settings or IP settings to change any settings. But if you want to change it for any particular network, so for example I'm connected to this network, I can simply click OK to enter here. And as you can see, if I go to my IP settings, here I can choose my IP settings, and if I want to change my IP address and other settings, I can also open the proxy settings. From here I can go to manual, and then I can enter in my host name and manually choose my settings from here on. So this is how you can change your IP and DNS settings. So this is how you can change your IP and DNS settings. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.